Hey friends, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Happy 2023 to you all. Today I've got a little bit of a different video for you guys, and it's probably just a one of, but I thought maybe some of you might be interested, so I'm just going to throw it up on my channel and see how you guys respond to it. But I am starting a new hobby, you guys. My goodness, I need another hobby. Like, I need a hole in my head, but I'm going to do it anyway. This is the year for me to continue embracing new things. Last year it was art journaling. This year it's bullet journaling. So yeah, I have to keep very organized because I am on a couple of design teams, plus just keeping my regular posting schedule on YouTube going. I use a lot of different planners. So right now I use like one of these big monthly planners that I keep all my assignments and all kinds of other stuff in. I also keep a filming calendar on my desk with all of my days that I need to actually film things. And then I also have a like running to-do list going on. I have stuff everywhere to keep me on track because I definitely don't want to ever be late or miss an assignment. That would be terrible. But I'm getting really tired of having like all of these different places that I need to look for my assignments, and also just everything else that I want to keep track of, like when I've watered my plants, my period, everybody's birthdays, like all of that stuff. I just would love to have it in one place. And I have been watching bullet journaling videos for maybe like a year at least now, maybe even a little bit longer. So I decided to dive in. So I went ahead and ordered myself a notebook. It just literally arrived. I ordered it a couple of days ago. I want to say I ordered it maybe 5 days ago, and it already arrived, which was really cool. I did get it from Notebook Therapy, and I just peeked in the box, and I'm very, very excited about it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you guys. So I went with this notebook here from Notebook Therapy. Like I said, it's called the Gentle Giant, and it has this beautiful velvety cover. It's stunning with that gold foiling. I really love this deep blue because September is my birth month, so sapphires are my birthstones. I was just drawn to the color, but I also do love sea life and whales and everything, so, and moon and stars I love too. So this just seemed like perfect for me for my first one. It has a tiny little wave on the spine, also in that gold foil, and then it also has the Notebook Therapy logo with a wave above it on the back. It does have an elastic binding so that you can close it, and it has a little quote in the back: gently moving through the dreamy ocean, glimmers of hope on each new page. And then in the back pocket, Notebook Therapy always gives you like a little free paper clip, and mine is shaped like a whale to go with the notebook. It is a dot grid notebook, and it's 160 GSM, which means the pages are nice and thick, so they'll hold up to a lot of different types of markers. Let me see how this works. It must go on. I'm gonna have to set it down so I can use two hands. So it just, there we go. So there is the little paper clip in there. Very cute. Take that out so I can flip to the front, and then in the front it just has Gentle Giant Edition bullet journal, and I can put my name right there. So I'm very, very excited to try this out. I also did get the washi tape set just to decorate it a little bit because you guys know me, I can't I can't resist like embellishing things. So I went ahead and got the matching one. This is the Gentle Giant washi set, just so I can add a few little details. I'm not going to go crazy with the embellishments because it really is about keeping me organized and not another art journal. That's what I do my art journaling for. But I definitely want to, you know, decorate the pages a little bit. So I did grab the washi tape. I did want to say that I will not be doing bullet journal videos at this time. I have no idea what I'm doing, you guys. Like I said, I've been watching videos on it for a while now, but I have never attempted this myself. I'm extremely nervous to try, but I'm also really hopeful that this is going to be the solution that I need to keep all of my stuff in one place. And I just want to do something that is for me. I don't want to be worried about content that other people need. I need to be worried about what I need out of this, especially for now while I'm starting out and kind of figuring things out. But anyway, just in case any of you were also like looking for another way to plan out your year, I thought I would just go ahead and mention what I'll be doing this year. And if you keep a bullet journal and you have any tips for me, please leave me a comment down below, because I would love any good tips. I am going to be keeping it pretty simple, I think, for now. Like I said, I did purchase just a couple of supplies. Actually, just one main supply. I did get a Micron 03 marker. I'm not even sure that this is the best thickness for me. I also have an 08 that I use for art journaling, so I can use that if I need another thickness. But I thought I would just try out one. I was tempted to also get the 05 or maybe the 005, but I decided to just start with one and see how it goes. I don't need to buy a whole bunch of stuff when I haven't even tried it yet, you know, and I just want to kind of ease in and see how I like it. That being said, I did go with a nicer notebook because I knew I would want those thicker pages. I'm really, I really hate it when paper bleeds, when markers bleed through to the other side, and I knew that if that happened, I would not keep doing it. It just really bothers me to see that mess coming through. It's very distracting, and I need this to be very legible and visible for my planning. So I did invest in a better quality notebook, and like I said, I did add on the washi tape. But aside from that, I got one pen, and then I also already had a white Uniball Signo pen. This one I bought to kind of test out. I normally prefer the Sakura Jelly Roll pen, but I thought I would keep this one for my card making and maybe use this one just to correct mistakes in there. So if I get a line that goes too far, then I can correct it with a white gel pen. And then I also had this pack of the Zebra mild liner highlighters, which I bought for like editing my manuscripts for my novels. So I wanted to have like a variety of different colors to like highlight different things in the novel. So I already had these, so I'm gonna use those with it as well. So those are all the supplies that I'm gonna be using to start out, which is not a ton of stuff, but I don't think you need a ton to start art journaling. I think it's gonna be good. I'm very excited to start setting this up and seeing what works for me and what doesn't, and just having a bit of fun with it, but also staying better organized. Or I'm pretty organized anyway, but just keeping all my organization in one place. So anyway, yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this video, and like I said, if you are also a bullet journaler, let me know down below, and you can definitely leave your tips and tricks for anything at all, because this is going to be the very beginning of something new, and I'm very excited about it. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this very different video. I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and I'll see you soon in another one. Bye-bye!